Hi, little buddies. How are you? I hope you all are fine and fit as a fiddle. Fiddle means violin. So, as violin, you are fit and sweet and humble. So, children, let's start with the chapter. This chapter is about the computer manners, and this you have to know before going to any computer room, any computer lab. So I am going to tell you these manners. First of all, I want to tell you what the boy is doing here. Just see, children. Tell me what this child is doing. This child is cleaning the CPU with the cloth, with the duster. But you know which kind of duster we have to use? We have to use dry cloth when we want to clean our computer. Never ever use a wet cloth to clean your computer. So I hope you understand that which kind of cloth or duster you have to use while cleaning the computer. So the next point is for you is see the next picture. What happens to this boy? Oh my God, he is getting shock. Oh my God. Why? Because he touched the wires of the computer while it is on. So children, beware. Beware, be careful. Don't touch the wires when the computer is in on mode. When it is off, then you can touch. Otherwise, your condition is also same like this boy. So, you have to be very careful about it. The next picture is for you. That girl is eating something near the computer. Is it right? Tell me, is it right? No, it is wrong. Because never eat or drink near a computer. It may spill on the computer and your computer parts can be affected by this. So please never ever eat or drink near a computer. Let's come on the next picture. This picture is that a teacher is there, a miss is there with the kids, and kids are going to the computer lab. How nicely they are going. They are in queue, they are quiet, they are not talking, they are not doing chit chat, they are just listening to their ma'am or mistress. So they are very wonderful kids. So you want to be a wonderful kid, so you have to follow these points while going to computer lab. You have to maintain silence. You have to be quiet. Then you have to be in queue. That means you have to make a line. Then you have to listen to your computer teacher and don't touch unnecessary things in a computer lab. So I hope you understand this point. Then we come to the next one. Here one boy or girl the pressing the key so harshly. It is good or it is bad? Just tell me. Oh my God, it is too bad. Don't touch the computer key so harshly. You can use the computer very gently because these keys are very soft and it can give you results softly also. So press the keys very gently. The next one is for you. That is the girl is, the auntie is, the ma'am is sitting in front of the computer, but what she is doing? She is sitting in a proper position. That means her back is too straight and she is looking into the computer with a distance. So when you look in the computer, you have to maintain a distance from the computer. So your eyes will not get affected from the computer and your back will not pain even after doing a long work. So you have to sit in a proper position and you have to maintain a gap. So children, let's revise again. That is, always clean your computer with dry clothes. The another one is that do not touch the wires of the computer when it is on. The next one is never eat or drink near a computer. The next one is maintain silence and discipline in the lab. The another one is press the keys of the keyboard gently. The another one is sit straight and maintain distance from the monitor while using a computer. So children, I hope you understand all the points. You will follow and you will be a good child then and follow the rules that your parents are telling, that you have to wash your hands again and again. Don't touch your face and lips and mouth with your hands. You have to sanitize your things and yourself and eat good food, drink healthy milk, and all the points you have to listen carefully. Bye. Love you all. Have a nice day.